Can I actually speak advanced English? So friends, in this video you will get to know how to speak advanced English. You can make any decision. Now ball is in your court. I'm not well, I'm not fine. It's a common sentence, but you can use advanced English. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi. So today in this video we are going to talk about advanced English. How can we speak advanced English? Because I'm from Hindi medium and people around me, they speak lots of Hindi. They don't speak English. So how can I speak advanced English? Even I don't know how to speak simple and basic English. So how can I speak advanced English? There is any option? Can I actually speak advanced English? So friends, in this video you will get to know how to speak advanced English. First of all, we all need to know what is advanced English. So friend, we need to know what is advanced English. So why native speakers sounds they are speaking advanced English, what they use in their conversation, which sentences and which words they use in their conversation, how they sound like they are speaking advanced English. So friends, I would like to say we also can speak advanced English. We also sound like a native speaker by using idiom and phrases. Yes, they use in their conversation idioms and phrases. And when we use idioms and phrases in our conversation, when we are having conversation, we should try to use phrases and idiom in our conversation. Then we can sound like a native speaker, because when we watch any English series or English movie, so we will find some idioms or phrases in their conversation, right? So we stuck sometime what they are saying, because we don't know the meaning of this that phrases and idioms. So we need to learn some phrases and idioms to do conversation with anybody. So when we use idioms and phrases in our conversation, then we will sound like a native speaker. So in this video I'm going to share some idioms with you guys by which you can sound like a native speaker. So not further ado, let's get into the video. So friends, our first idiom is miss the boat. Miss the boat means, what is that meaning? What does it mean? The meaning is it's too late. Whenever we are going or whenever we have to do something and we got late, so we can use this phrase like I forgot to fill that form on 30th March and now I have missed the boat. So मैं बहुत लेट हो चुका हूँ, मतलब वो टाइम निकल गया, मैंने बोट मिस कर दी. तो इसका मतलब है किसी चीज़ के लिए बहुत लेट हो जाना. जैसे आपको कोई फॉर्म फिल करना था, कोई डेट थी और वो डेट मिस हो गई, तो आप इस फ्रेज का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो वी कैन यूज़ दिस फ्रेज व्हेन वी मिस समथिंग. ओके, वी मिस समथिंग लाइक I have to reach on the station at 2 o'clock, but we reach at 3 o'clock. So we can use like, oh, I have missed the boat. I have missed the boat. When you are too late, then you can use this idiom. The next one is as right as rain. As right as rain means perfect. If somebody asks you like, how are you? Are you okay? Then you can use this phrase. Then you can use it idioms like if you ask me like, hey Mansi, how are you? Are you okay? So I can say I'm as right as rain. मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. I'm perfect. I'm okay. I'm fine. There is no problem. So I can say, yeah, as right as rain. Yeah, I'm as right as rain. So you can also say, not say like, never say like, okay, I'm fine, I'm perfect, I'm fine. So this is very common phrase, I'm fine. So try to use I'm as right as rain. So next time whenever you are trying to express about yourself, then you can use this idiom like I'm as right as rain. So this means I'm perfect, I'm fine, there is no problem. So the next one is under the weather. It doesn't mean like you are under the weather, it's going to rain or it's so hot and weather is so cold or hot. No, it doesn't mean like weather. It means like you are not well, you are not good, So if somebody asks me like, hey Mansi, how are you? So I'm not feeling good, then I can use this phrase, this idiom, like I'm feeling under the weather. I'm feeling under the weather. So if somebody is saying you like, I'm feeling under the weather, so you can't say like, do you need my umbrella? Do you need my umbrella? Never say like this. That means that person is not feeling good. He is ill. So you can use this idiom like, I am feeling under the weather. I'm not good. The next one is break a leg. Break a leg, it doesn't mean like you are going to break anybody's leg. No, it doesn't mean like this. It means you are wishing someone's good luck. Good luck. You are going to wish someone good luck. Like if my brother is going to give an exam, he has an exam today, and I want to wish him a good luck. So I can use this phrase like, hope you would break a leg. Hope you would break a leg. So it means you are wishing a good luck to him. So you can use this like, we say best of luck. We say best of luck. So we can say break a leg. You would break a leg. I wish you would break a leg. So you can use this phrase. The next one is the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. So what does it mean? The ball is in my court. So what does it mean? It doesn't mean if somebody is playing with a ball and now the ball is in my court, in my hand. No, it's mean decision in your hand. It's totally up to you which decision you are going to take, you are going to make, not take, make. So this means is like, if I want to say something to my mom, so I can say you can make any decision. You can make any decision because the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. Now the ball is in your court. You can take any decision. Like I got a chance to make any decision to myself or to other person. So you can say, Mansi, this is the right time. You can make any decision. Now ball is in your court. Ball is in your court. So this is a perfect idiom to say like, you can make any decision. Now the ball is in your court. The next one is pull someone's leg. The pull someone's leg is a common phrase, common idiom. Like if I try to speak English and someone is making fun of me, so I can say like, don't pull my leg. Please don't try to pull my leg. Don't make fun of me. So this is a similar to don't make fun of me. So you can say, please don't try to pull my leg. Or we can say, Mama, he's pulling my leg. You know, so we are teasing someone, we are making fun of anybody, so we can say he's pulling my leg, and please don't try to pull my leg. The next one is beat around the bush. That meaning is avoid saying something like, if someone is asking anything wrong and she's saying rubbish and I don't want to answer that question, I don't want to reply that, I don't want to argue with that, so I can say like, I was beating around the bus because I didn't want to answer him. I was beating around the bus because I didn't want to answer him. So if you want to ignore anyone, if you don't want to say something, and if you want to reply anybody, so you can use this phrase, you can use this idiom like, I was beating around the bus because I didn't want to answer him. So the next one is take it with a pinch of salt. Take it with a pinch of salt means like, don't try to take it seriously. I didn't take that seriously. Like if my friend was saying I can fly in the sky without anybody's help, like we know like human can't fly in the sky. We need to take aeroplane ticket, or we can travel by plane. Then we can say like, I am in the air because I'm sitting on the plane. Then we can say I am in the air. But without anything's help, we can't fly. Only birds can fly. So if my friends was saying like, I can fly in the sky, So I am telling this story to my mom. I can say, mama, he was saying like he can fly in the sky. So at that time I was taking everything with a pinch of salt. So I was taking everything with a pinch of salt, like I was not taking anything seriously. I know he's kidding. He was kidding with me, so I was not taking seriously. So we can use this idiom like I was taking everything with a pinch of salt. So these are very advanced level idioms, and when we use this type of phrases or idiom while having conversation, so we sound like we are speaking advanced English. So whenever you are going to have conversation with anybody, so try to use idiom or phrases in your conversation. Then you will definitely sound like a native speaker. So these are all useful and easy idioms, so we can easily use in our daily conversation. So I hope you would like a video. If yes, then give a like to this video and share with your friends and family. See you in next one. Till then, bye bye.